all of you, especially the Mr. Uh,
Jonathan Martin.
Jonathan Martin. I'm sorry, I forgot your name. So Jonathan Martin and our Uzbek fellows, they are here with us. Iranians are coming, and you people all from Pakistan, you are representing our country. It's a very pride, honor for you to be here. So just few words in Urdu. I can talk to them, okay, and then I'll switch over to you. Then you can speak as well. Okay? So yes. आप सबको जी बहुत बहुत अपना मुबारक हो कि आप इस कोर्स के पार्टिसिपेंट हैं और एक अच्छा मौका आपको मिल रहा है. ही इज़ ए वेरी एक्सपर्ट इन हिज coaching. Definitely he has vast experience. Our two coaches have already gone on the course under him, Mr. Sharif and Mr. Nadeem. He will also come tomorrow. आप सबको बहुत खुशी होनी चाहिए और आपको बड़ी मेहनत की ज़रूरत है. जो आपकी कमी है मैंने इनसे डिस्कस किया आज कि फिज़िकली दे मस्ट टेल यू कि कैसे एक्सरसाइज करनी है और कैसे आपने करवानी है. फिज़िकली यू विल हैव टू डू दैट. Okay, so they have already they have lot of experience, and you will see in the stadium, in the gymnasium. But we can do also. We have also potential in that category, but we lack funds, we lack operators, we lack infrastructure. It's a separate thing. Alhamdulillah, this is all God blessing. We are doing a dash in the basket, and we are doing it comics and whatever we can do. So thank you, and I also say we are very thankful to the Asian Gymnastic Union who have given this opportunity to be here together and clever. It's just because of the Asian Gymnastic Union that we have got a very good course at our doorstep here in the country, and we are getting this opportunity. And inshallah, in future as well, if you continue to perform, if you continue to give results, better performance, better results, and achievement, and you have encouraged to do something, you are committed to do something, inshallah you will get more opportunity. Even you can be sent abroad as well for training, coaching, and learning, whatever we can make it possible. So thank you very much, and whatever the points you have, whatever the points or problem you have, you can discuss, you can comment. I can speak a little just in English as well. In this hotel, it is one of the best hotels in Lahore. Two are very high-fi, but within our range, this was the possibility, and equivalent to 4-star hotels. They have also provided us some complimentary items, like breakfast is complimentary, but we have a package of 3 complimentary lunch, and lunch is in your package, and also dinner is in your package. You will also get 2 coffee breaks. One coffee break actually we will be doing at gymnasium. We will arrange ourselves. But one is in the evening at 5:30, whatever the time decide you people, at what time we will be here from tomorrow onward. 5:30 or 6, what time suit to you, that is to be decided, so that we tell to the catering staff to arrange our tea arrangement. Because if he is sitting alone, then that is not good. You must accompany them, and 5 is better time for the tea. What do you think?
If we are finishing on 3, then we can. If we are finishing on 3, then we can do it on 5 p.m.
You can, but sometimes it is very difficult. आप लोग इकट्ठे नहीं होते तो embarrassing हो. ये चीज़ ना हो. आ जाए नीचे, गपशप लगाएं, इनके साथ थोड़ी बैठें, फ्रैंकनेस हो, अंडरस्टैंड करें, फिर खाने पे इकट्ठे हो जाएं. ये बड़ा एक गोल्डन टाइम है।
कमरा कमरा 9 कितने बिल सुनते हो
दो ही
सो रहे हो
8 से 7 बजे कहेंगे वो डिनर वो 7 बजे भी कर देंगे, लेकिन मेरा ख्याल है आई थिंक 8 फ्रॉम 8 दैट विल स्टार्ट। और आपका खाना योर ओनली फूड विल बी अवेलेबल ऑन दिस प्लेस बिकॉज यू आर नॉट कंबाइंड विद द अदर थिंग। आपका खाना अलग है, उनका आपका मेन्यू भी अलग है, आपको यही मिलेगा, उस जगह नहीं मिलेगा किसी और जगह। इसलिए इसको आप 8 से 10 दे दें इन्हें टाइम, 8 से 9:30 दे दें, इसके दरमियान दरमियान आपने करना है। बाद में आप एक्सपेक्ट करें कि कोई वो दे देगा, नहीं। रूम के अंदर कोई भी चीज़ अगर आप मंगाते हैं, अगर कोई करते हैं तो वो आपने अपनी जेब से पे करना है और आपने साइन करना है, उसके हम पेमेंट नहीं करेंगे। इवन कप ऑफ टी, इवन एनी वाटर बॉटल्स हर कमरे में 2 ईच पर्सन वाटर बॉटल डिलीवरी 2 बॉटल फॉर 1 पर्सन। जैसे कोई याद तस्वीरों में लग जाते हैं मैं